Got tickets, please.
Patronising, don't they? Thank you. He sounds so patronising. Oh, Hannah, attractive. Hannah.
I love zombies.
Whatever there.
Oh, you got it.
Do some sexy dance moves.
I'll get some to you. Watching the lady. So do I. You can know. Understand you're gonna keep through the world.
I don't know.
So
This is a me and you song.
which song?
I'll sing it for you.
Don't we? I want to know what song it is, Beth.
I know hooks you could say.
What?
I change.
It's so good. It is. I want to dance to it. I want to dance to it, but I can't because I'm, you know. Yeah, I'm just trying to be like, yeah. I'm sorry, you're a bullet.
I will do it.
Everybody gets high. Everybody gets low. I remember. Everybody. Everybody occasionally takes a breath. Everybody gets nobody wants to die. We like 6 AM.
Did you have this one?
Because Nicky Dick is just a legend.
Yeah, but it's
Stop is rumbling.
Chewing gum.
get train station at 5:30.
Something like that, yeah. Are you going to get your stuff, then coming back to mine? Come back to my mum's, yeah?
Huh?
Come back to my mum's.
You have that gig now. I thought without the door.
I was really getting into it, isn't it? Anna. Aya.
Here we go. Soldier boy.
You get inside now.
Crank that 3 times. Oh.
The next station stop is Rumbling. Next stop is Rumbling.
It's like a hamster or guinea pig. Oh no, it's not. We're just filming you, Hannah, by the way. Do some real sexy dance moves. Oh yeah.
Yeah. I think I've only got one. Yeah. Take it on. Yeah.
What is it? What is it?
Station stop is Marple.
Too cute himself.
It's a baby boy.